Hello, my dear friends from the Canary Islands, and welcome here to our new channel called Sunrise in Tenerife. My name is Frank and I live and work here in Tenerife for 31 years, and I've been working in tourism all the time, and therefore I decided to make a nice podcast all about making holidays, bars, shopping, hotels, etc. here in the Canaries, but also we're going to cover all legal aspects and pitfalls of becoming an expat here for EU citizens and non-EU citizens. And of course we will talk about all aspects of buying properties and retiring here under the Canary Sun. So if you have any questions regarding making holidays here in Tenerife or immigrations to the Canary Islands, just write them down below in the comment section, and we're going to answer your questions in the next following videos we're going to make. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, because that will help us to make some more videos. If you click that little notification bell, you will get a nice notification every time when I am uploading a new video. This is a marvelous Saturday morning and we're standing here in La Caleta, not to confuse with Las Galletas. La Caleta is a neat little fishing village here in the south of Tenerife, which is at the end of Las Americas. So therefore we're in the district of Costa Adeje. Almost every weekend I'm going to do a nice little walk here from La Caleta to the Puerto Colon and back. And today I'm going to take you with me, okay? So, follow me. Right, what we see here is La Caleta, which we've seen before from above, which has absolutely wonderful fish restaurants, which are almost all recommendable. Almost, but I'll leave that up for later videos. Yeah, behind here begins Playa. Playa is also part of Las Americas, which is officially Costa Adeje. And as you can see, it is a black beach. That means it's a real beach because it's volcanic. And that makes it dark. It doesn't look really pleasant, but it's really, really good for your health. Nice for the bones and nice for the muscles. Very recommended. So I would say, let's keep walking. Come on, follow me.
This beach is called Playa de la Enramada. And
And you must have noticed the paragliders behind me. They use this beach as a drop zone. It's an excursion you can book as a single or as a tandem flight. They usually take off from Ifonchi depending on the wind situation.
What we see here is the Playa del Duque, the beach of the Duke, and which is being called after the Hotel Playa del Duque in the mid-90s. So this is supposed to be a private beach, but there are no private beach here in Spain, which is a law, so that's why they have to open it to the public.
Here on the right you see an old monastery that has been converted into a private mansion. Many legends are connected to the history of this building. Some legends say it was bought in the 60s by Liz Taylor, who gave Las Americas its name, because it reminded her of Miami Beach. But it has never really been confirmed if it's true. Also, people say that the new owner of this place is a Russian oligarch. But what I can say for sure is that the new owner of this place is someone with a lot of money.
Right here behind me, you can see the Fanyabe beach, which is a quite famous beach here and exists for quite a long time, and it actually got some prizes as one of the best beaches here in the south of Tenerife. But don't get fooled, it's an artificial beach like almost all the beaches here as well, but it's a nice beach. I kind of like it. So if you please, just come with me.
Playa love, passion and love, dripping sand between us two. Playa love, fire of love, no regrets of what we'll every night, making love till light. I'll miss you badly again at home in the rain. It's no time to despair yourself at all. Just throw yourself into the fun.
This beach here is called Playa La Pinta. Along with La Niña and Santa Maria, La Pinta was one of Christopher Columbus's ship that discovered America. And here on the left is our final destination, the yacht harbour Puerto Colon, which means Columbus's harbour. The Spanish called Columbus Colon because they always rename a lot of people. Like Queen Elizabeth, for example. She is called Isabella in Spain. Extraordinary, isn't it?
Right, now we arrived at our final destination here, the Puerto Colon, the yacht harbour here in Las Americas, Costa Adeje. We are going to make a special episode about the Puerto Colon with the excursion boat, all the water sport you can do and everything, and all the activities and insights, and also bars and entertainment. So thank you for being here with us.
finally arrived at the end of our little journey here and the end of the very first video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please press the little like button and subscribe to the channel. That will give us the opportunity to make a lot of more nice goodie videos for you. So have a wonderful and marvelous day. Greetings from me here from Tenerife, and I see you later. Bye.